Good morning all of you. Welcome to the online class. Today we are going to do page number 108. So all of you open your book, page number 108. Write down CW and today's date. Okay, so what we have to do in this page we have to do subtract. Okay, we have to do subtraction by taking the borrow. What is borrow and how we have to take it, that I will tell you. Okay, see, first question is given 17 minus 9. 17 minus 9. See, in addition we have seen that when we are solving the addition sum, we have to start it from the right side. From the right side we are starting now. Likewise in the subtraction also we have to start from the right side. So this is left side, this is right side. We have to start from the right side. Okay, so right side पे it is given 7. We have to subtract 9 from 7. 9 from 7. But 7 is smaller than 9. So we can't do it. So what we have to do here? We have to take the borrow. Okay, borrow we will take, and when we will take borrow, this 7 will become 17. One borrow that we are taking, we will write it on the left side. It means it becomes 17. Now what we have to do? We have to subtract 17 and 9. We have to subtract 9 from 17. Okay, we will do it on the fingers. See, that day I have told you how many they are. They are 15. Till here it is 15. So we will take our next hand also. 15, 16, 17. ठीक है, from 17 what we have to take out? 9 we have to take out. तो पीछे back side we will move. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 we have counted now. Now we have to count this remaining numbers. How many are they? Count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. They are 8. We will write here 8. Okay. So here 8 comes. Now next 1 is written here. ठीक है, बट वी हैव टेकन बोरो. 1 वी हैव टेकन बोरो ना. तो जब हमने यहाँ से 1 बोरो ले लिया, ऑलरेडी ये 1 था, तो 1 में से 1 गया 0. इट मीन्स यहाँ पे कितना रिमेनिंग है? हियर 0 इज रिमेनिंग. ओके, क्लियर? सी नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर बी. See, what we have to do? We have to subtract 5 from 11. 5 from 11. So I have told you first we have to look on which side? Right side. First we have to deal with right side. So on the right side what is given here? 1 and it is given 5. So can we take out 5 from 1? No. 1 is smaller than 5, so we can't take out 5 from 1. So what we have to do in this? We have to take a borrow. So from the left side we will take borrow. When we will take borrow, this 1 will become that 1 which we have taken borrow, that we will write on the left side. So this 1 will become 11. 1 will become 11. और यहाँ पे on the left side 1 is written here and 1 we have taken borrow. 1 था और 1 ही borrow ले लिया. So what will remain here? Here it will be 0. Got it? Now what we have to do? We have to subtract 5 from 11. 5 from 11. So count it on your finger, all of you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. This is 11. So from 11 what we have to take out? 5. So back side we will move. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 5 are done. Now these are remaining. It means this is our answer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So 11 minus 5 is 6. 11 minus 5 is 6. So this is our answer. All of you write it down in your book. Question number C is 16 minus 7. What we have to do? We have to subtract 7 from 16. So how we are going to do it? First of all, we have to do it from the right side. So on the right side 6 is given and 7 is given. It means we have to subtract 7 from 6. तो ये हो सकता है? No, क्योंकि 6 is smaller and 7 is larger than 6. So we can't do it. What we have to do? We have to take a borrow. Borrow we will take from the left side. So 6 is already given, 1 borrow we will take, so it will become 16. It will become 16. So this 6 will become 16. Got it? और ये जो 1 है, यहाँ से 1 we have taken borrow, तो 1 था, 1 हमने ले लिया, 1 था और 1 हमने इसमें ले लिया, means यहाँ पे what will remain here? Here it will be 0. Now what we have to do? We have to subtract 7 from 16. 7 को subtract करना है from 16. So we will do this. I have told you how many are they? 15. So next hand also, another hand we will take 15 is here. So 16 here. Now 7 we have to remove. So remove 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So what are remaining? We will count this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. What is remaining here? 9. So our answer is 9. Got it all of you? Okay. Question number D is 25 minus 8. So first of all we will do it from the right side. On the right side 5 and 8 are given, means we have to subtract 8 from 5. We can't do it. So what we will do? We will take 1 borrow. We will take 1 borrow. So 5 is given, 1 borrow we have taken from here. Okay, from the left side we will take borrow. So what it will become? It will become 15. So this 5 will become 15. और यहाँ से 1 बोरो वी हैव टेकन, सो 2 में से 1 बोरो ले लिया, तो हाउ मैनी विल रिमेन हियर? 1 विल रिमेन हियर. ओके, नाउ व्हाट वी हैव टू डू? वी हैव टू सब्ट्रैक्ट 15 minus 8. What we have to do? 15 minus 8. So count it with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So how many are remaining? Count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 15 minus 8 is 7. 15 minus 8 is 7. So here we get 7. और यहाँ पे अभी हमारा क्या बचा है? 1. So here we will write 1. Question number E. In question number E, we have to subtract 26 and 19. We have to subtract 19 from 26. So how we are going to do this? We will solve first from the right side. From the right side we have to start. So on the right side 6 is given here. We have to subtract 9 from 6. कर सकते हैं? No. So what we will do? We will take borrow. So from here we will take 1 borrow. When we will take borrow, this 6 will become 16. This 6 will become 16. और यहाँ पे 2 था, 2 में से 1 बोरो ले लिया, 2 में से 1 बोरो ले लिया, तो क्या रिमेनिंग हुआ? 2 में से 1 गए, 1. So here 1 will remain. Okay. Now 16 and 9 we have to subtract. 16 and 9. So here till here it is 15. This is 16. 9 we have to subtract. We will subtract it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So these are remaining. We will count this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 16 minus 9 is 7. Now next is 1 is given here and 1 is given here, means 1 minus 1 we have to do. तो 1 टॉफी थी, 1 खाली. How many is remaining? 0. 1 minus 1, 0. Got it all of you? Now question number F. Question number F is 23 minus 17. What we have to do? We have to subtract 23 and 17. So from the right side we have to start. So on the right side what is given? 3 and 7. So 3 में से 7 नहीं जा सकते हैं. First of all we will take borrow. What we will take? We will take 1 borrow. When we will take borrow, this 3 will become 13. क्योंकि जो borrow होता है वो कहाँ पे लिखते हैं? On the left side. आप यहाँ पे ये 3 डिजिट इज गिवन, यहाँ पे 3 डिजिट हो गई। अब बोरो जो आपने लिया है वो उस 3 डिजिट के आगे लगा दिया, मीन्स बोरो यू हैव टू राइट ऑन द लेफ्ट साइड। अब यहाँ पे 2 था, 1 बोरो यू हैव टेकन, तो 2 में से 1 ले लिया है, तो कितना बचेगा हियर, हियर इट विल बी 1। भाई 2 थे, 1 बोरो यू हैव टेकन, सो कितना रह जाएगा यहाँ पे, 2 minus 1 1। Got it? Now what we have to do? This is 13 now. From the 13 we have to subtract 7. 13 में से what we have to subtract 7. Okay, we will do it. First of all 13 count on your fingers. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 and 13. Till here 13. Okay, अब 13 में से 7 निकालने हैं. We have to remove 7. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 कर दिए. ठीक है, so these are remaining 1 2 3 4 5 6. तो 13 minus 7 is 6. 13 minus 7 is 6. Okay, here 1 is given and 1 is given here, means 1 minus 1 0. 1 minus 1 is 0. So this is your answer. Write down everyone. Now question number G we are doing 38 minus 19. 38 minus 19. So what we have to do? See, first of all we will do from solve it from the left right side. So right side it is given 8 and 9, means we have to subtract 9 from 8. नहीं कर सकते, so what we will do? We will take borrow. When we will take borrow, this 8 will become, borrow कहाँ लिखते हैं? I have told you on the left side. So 1 here we will write, so it become 18. यहाँ पे ये 18 हो गया है. अब जब यहाँ पे 3 है, बेटा 3 is given here and from here we have taken 1 borrow. तो 3 में से जब 1 borrow ले लिया है तो यहाँ पे कितना बचेगा, 2 will remain here. Okay, now we will solve it. 18 minus 9. 18 minus 9. When you will do it, you will get 9 here. Okay, now next 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1 is 1. So our answer is 19. Okay, write down all of you 19. Question number H is 34 minus 15. So first of all from the right side we have to solve. तो on the right side 4 is given. 4 में से 5 हमको subtract करना है. We can't do that, so we will take borrow. जब हमने borrow लिया, this 4 will become 14. 4 will become 14. एंड हियर 3 इज गिवन, बट हमने 1 बोरो ले लिया है, सो 3 में से जब 1 बोरो ले लिया तो यहाँ पे क्या रह जाएगा, 2 विल रिमेन हियर. ओके, नाउ 14 minus 5 व्हेन यू विल डू, यू विल गेट 9. 14 minus 5 इज 9. चलो करके देखते हैं. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14. 14 में से 5 you have to subtract. 1 2 3 4 5. So how many are they? Count it. Count it. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So here 9 will come. Okay. Now यहाँ पे 2 है. From 2 1 we have to subtract. तो 2 minus 1 1. Okay, this is clear to everyone. Let us see once more. See what we are doing. We have to take, first of all we have to start solving from which side? We have to start solving from the right side. So here 11 is, sorry, here it is given 11 minus 5. तो हम राइट साइड से जब स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं तो यहाँ पे 1 है, तो 1 में से 5 को हम रिमूव कर सकते हैं? नो, वी कान टेक आउट 5 फ्रॉम 1. सो हमने क्या लिया, बोरो लिया. बोरो कैसे लेते हैं मैंने बताया, जो राइट साइड लेफ्ट साइड होती है उस पर हम वो 1 बोरो ले लेते हैं. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे 1 ऑलरेडी था और लेफ्ट साइड पे हमने एक 1 बोरो ले लिया. अब 11 में से 5 माइनस करेंगे 6. यहाँ पे था 1 में से हमने 1 में से 1 बोरो ले चुके हैं हम, तो यहाँ पे क्या बचा, 0. इफ़ यू वांट टू राइट 0 हेयर यू कैन राइट. ओके, 0 वी विल राइट हेयर ऑल्सो राइट डाउन 0. गॉट इट? होप दिस इज क्लियर टू यू. ठीक है, नाउ राइट डाउन योर होमवर्क. दिस इज योर होमवर्क. From part I to P you have to solve it in your book only. Okay, solve it in your book. ठीक है, this is all for today video. Okay, thank you student.